Friends, today it is the World Piles Day, World Hemorrhoids Day. Hemorrhoids Day is the medical term for piles. In local language, ಮೊಳೆ ರೋಗ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. That's what they say. There is nothing like nail and then this disease. What is this piles? No, the lowest part of the digestive gastrointestinal tract. Lowest part is the rectum and then the anus. Anus is the part through which we pass stools, through which we defecate. So, in the rectum itself, the piles will start. First degree, second degree, third degree. Third degree means it will come out, but we can push it back. The person after defecation, he will push it back. And then the first degree will be in the upper part of the rectum. Fourth degree means you cannot push it back. And it will be bulging. 3, 7, 9. So these piles are the hemorrhoids. It is nothing but the blood vessel. It is nothing but the veins. Veins means the blood vessel only. Why this will occur? See, we should not suffer from constipation. We should not suffer from piles, for which we should not suffer from constipation. Chronic constipation. It is not the acute constipation. Chronic constipation. Once again, why the people will develop chronic constipation? Because of the lifestyle. See, nowadays, as I said in the previous program, hurry, worry, curry. See, every day morning, you drink 3 or 4 glasses of warm water and go to the toilet and pass stools. That should be the habit. But you get up little late, then hurriedly you have a cup of coffee and then the tiffin and then rush to the office without going to the toilet. And then you will come down, you will come back, you will return to the house. And then by that time, it is 5:30, 6 o'clock. Why to go to the toilet now? Let me go to the toilet tomorrow morning. So at that time, whatever the fecal matter that is present in the large intestine, the water will be absorbed and then the fecal matter will become hard. So when you go to the toilet, you have to push it. You have to push it. You have to strain to push that and it will be very hard. Like the sheep stool. Kudre hikke tara. Sheep stool. Like that, the people, they strain and they push it like a sheep stool. And it will be very, very hard. Chronic constipation. The people, they should go to the toilet every day. If they go once in 2 days, once in 3 days, and then they develop this constipation and they have to push it, as a result of that, the veins will bulge. Veins will bulge in the rectum and then they develop the first degree, second degree, third degree, fourth degree. And the fourth degree, sometimes the veins will rupture and then they go to the doctor. Doctor, I passed stool. I passed blood in the stool. When I was passing the stool, sometimes just like as though I have cut my finger, as though I have sustained some injury and then there was some bleeding. In that way, the patient, they will pass blood during defecation. And for that purpose, whenever they see blood in the stool, frank blood in the stool, they rush to the doctor. If they vomit blood, they rush to the doctor. For a lady, more bleeding, they will rush to the doctor. So in this way, friends, we should not suffer from constipation. How to prevent this? Let me discuss in my next program.